our head here. We let it set up, so we want to drill our hole here for our string to go through. And you want your hole to come pretty well center in the back of your neck here. When you do that, enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put in my comment section. I'll get back with you. And I'm going to use a 1/4 inch drill bit for this. So we're pretty well centered here. That's where we want to be. So we got this drilled out. So we'll bore it open a little bit, make it so it doesn't get too tight. So we get that set, and now we can get our mouth and stuff hooked up and go on to the next step. Thanks for watching.